So what I do is I cut it in half first, okay? Go around the horn like so. Just go around. You can feel the seed on the inside. Come all the way around. Connect the dots there. Twist it. Open it. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, so now you go, how do I get that seed out of there, right? So watch this. Watch this. Hit it like that, grab it, and then twist. And there it is. And then what I do is I come inside and I go just around the horn like this. Look at that. Go around, just like so. And you cup it up. You come up, like so. Put her down. There you go. Look at how that looks, huh? So this is what we're going to put into the bowl first. Here we go. We just dump it in just like that. Oh, look how hard that was. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the pomodoro, right? The tomatoes. And we just go ahead and put them in there. Some of them you cut up, some of them you don't. Okay, then I'm going to do the mozzarella balls. Okay, and the last thing we put in is the avocado. Mix it up. So we'll just go ahead and put it in like so. Okay, then I'm going to come on over and I'm going to get my favorite balsamic dressing that I went and I got. And I put it together with. We just go ahead and push it over. You can come in closer now if you wish, and we just drizzle it around. You don't want to drown it, that's for sure. Okay, and we'll do that. And then we're going to come over and we're just going to go ahead and toss it up like this. Look how easy that is. Yeah, look at that. Whoa, look at how gorgeous that looks, just like it is, okay? Isn't that nice, huh? Okay, this is what it looks like right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to serve it up into my dishes and the bowls as a little presentation. Then I'm going to put a little drizzle of balsamico glaze. Yeah. So don't go nowhere, please.